The claw's stuck in my finger. She's sniffing my finger. What? My finger's that interesting, is it? I suppose I did have hummus before. Even though I've washed my hands. But maybe it's still there. Does it smell good, the Steveenie? What? Then you lick your butt. Oh, that's better. At least lick your paw. Hmm? Well, Steveenie, you're looking too cute there. Had to show everyone. I had to show everyone how cute Stevie looked. Yes. Yes, she did. But with little paws hanging over like that. Looking all very dapper and sophisticated and smart. Yeah. And that's where it ended. Especially being a Steveenie. Yes. What? What are you going to show me? Go show me something? Go show me something, Steveenie? You go show everyone something? What are you going to show everyone? What? Get some toys out? Yeah, the butterfly. Yeah, it's a bit of a favourite, the butterfly. The crinkly butterfly. For her and Bunyip, yeah. What do you reckon, Steveenie? Anything else to show? No? That's it? That's as far as it goes today? At least the weather's nice. At least the weather's nice today, Steveenie. Oh, come on, Stevie. Stevie! Not on camera. Steveenie! 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 Sure you can clean your butt after. Yeah. Yeah, I'm sure you can clean your butt after. You only do it on the camera. I mean, people don't need to see a cat clean its butt. No. I'm sure if they've got cats of their own, they see that themselves. And even if they don't, I'm sure they don't want to see a cat cleaning its butt in front of them on the screen. Anyway, the sophisticated Steveenie. The smart and sophisticated Steveenie. Yeah. Anyway, anything? Steveenie! Steveenie! That's not sophisticated. That's not smart and sophisticated. I suspect Stevie doesn't care. Do you, Stevie? The real deal. Cat house critters, where the cats are real and the actions are true. Yeah. Steveenie. Steveenie.